Hello, I'm Rachel Lott. I am very excited to be teaming up with Royal Fireworks Press this semester to offer a course in the history of philosophy. So my own background is in history of philosophy. I hold a PhD from the University of Toronto. And in this course, we are going to be looking at what is possibly the most interesting question in philosophy. What about the existence of God? We will be reading targeted readings from primary sources. We'll be looking at guys like Aquinas, Aristotle, David Hume, an atheist. We'll be looking at modern instantiations of arguments, for example, from William Lane Craig. And we will be doing what I have done for years in university level undergraduate philosophy classes. And that is, we will be using these classes as a means for students to directly engage each other and to discuss and debate. So the format will be something like this. We'll have the targeted readings. Students will do the readings on their own. They'll be short but deep. Students will then come to class. I will spend about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes giving what I call a lecturette, which is basically a guided approach to the text. I'll be going over some background information. I'll be showing them how the arguments work. I'll then be opening up the table for discussion. Students will question the text, they'll question the arguments, they'll question each other, they'll discuss and debate, and at the end of the class, we'll take a little vote to see how students are thinking. How well does this particular argument succeed, especially compared to other ones that they will also hit in the class. This class also contains an element of writing instruction. So for years now, I have been running writing workshops, giving one-on-one writing coaching to individual students at university. This is one of the areas that students struggle with the most, is writing papers, especially in the humanities. They really struggle with this. And so what we'll be doing in this class is that I've designed a series of writing assignments. They are short but scaled, so they target very specific skills, and they build on each other. So the goal is that by the end of the class, the older students, the juniors and seniors, they will be writing at the level that will be expected of them in your average university philosophy class. Now, the younger students will be graded with a different rubric that is appropriate to their level. But the older students, the purpose of the class is definitely to get them ready for what they will hit in undergrad. I'm very excited about this course. I'm looking forward to meeting the students. If you have any questions, please contact me anytime. And in the meantime, Merry Christmas.